We hope that we are saving lives and making a difference by being prepared. So y'all are like step one, getting all the school nurses trained, and then we want to have you call us and we'll come in and help you train your staff. And I know once we train staff, y'all will get a kit today, but once you get trained, the staff gets trained, they'll all get one. We've got funding to provide about 3,300 kits, and so we hope to have one in every classroom soon. It's become very obvious that we need immediate responders. The first responders get there quickly, but if there is an injury or a shooting or something at a school, the teachers, the staff that are right there can start giving first aid by applying direct pressure, packing the wound, putting a tourniquet on, and that may save the life so that when the EMS fire arrives, they can actually transport the child. Well, with a significant life-threatening bleed, you can bleed out in 3 to 4 minutes. So even though we've got great response times, 5 minutes could be too long. So having somebody trained that's right there beside the child or whoever's injured can be the difference between life and death. It's kind of like CPR. The sooner it started, the better the outcome.
So, you know, we strive for an extremely quick response time with the Fort Worth Fire Department, and we meet that goal on a regular basis. But we found with going back and looking at the mass shootings that the children are having, they're bleeding out because of the long times to get in and get them. So to be able to put this kit and the training in the school teachers' hands really saves lives because of how quick it happens. You know, over the last 10 or 15 years, tourniquets really haven't been taught in emergency medicine because they were somewhat taboo. And now with all the new studies that they've done through, unfortunately, some wartime efforts, they're showing that you can actually keep a tourniquet applied for up to 2 hours without having any damage on a limb. So it's really become a life-saving technique that is keeping people alive longer.
Pretty much everybody knows CPR now, so we hope that soon everyone will know how to stop bleeding and save more lives.